Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hi everyone, welcome to Statistics Bio 7 YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the topic for the Carlow graph and attached with a correlation table in RStudio. This is a Carlow graph and this is a correlation table. This is attached for the RStudio software. Data already entered in Excel sheet. The data imported to RStudio. This is RStudio. First import the Excel file. Go to import menu from Excel. Import our correlation file. Click open. Then import the RStudio software. Then go to command section. First attach the file. So command for attached. Attached our file, enter our file name bio7, then click OK. Just the view the table, so view commands bio7 the file name, the confirmed for the table, then go to the summary, enter the file name. Now analyze a correlation, COR, enter our file name. This is a correlation table. This is a correlation table, minimum temperature, maximum temperature, and minimum rainfall, maximum rainfall, and another one the maximum and minimum wind. This table attached in Carlogram graph. Next go to the command section. They enter the command. Before they load the library, CorelPlot, the loaded library. Then enter command CorelPlot. First draw the Corel graph. So enter the command. The library loaded. Then go to the short form for our file name. So enter the C less than hyphen COR, attach our file name. Our short form file name is ready. The file name short form is a C. The next command CorelPlot, C our file name short, then type, enter upper, then comma, order, plus then comma, letter black. This is our correlation table. This is our correlation graph. This part attached to correlation table. This table attached to this part. Then next command CorelPlot mix. See our file short form name. Then lower, letter black, then number dot cex is equal to 0.8. This is attached correlation graph, Carlow graph and correlation table. This is for our font size. So this is very small size in output. So increase the size. the same command re-entry. C comma royal black, then comma number dot cex is equal to 1.6 mean our font size 16, then enter. The zoom part, our graph is very high font size, but the output export our graph file, go to the export menu, change the directory desktop, then file size 1920 and 1080, the export. This is output for the graph. The font size is equal to very visibly another graph also. This is a Carlo graph. If you have any doubts in this video, please leave the comments box. Please subscribe to my channel and support it. Please share and like this video. Thank you for watching.